Pixelers, grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw Christopher Robin from Winnie the Pooh. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, brown, and light orange. This drawing is 27 squares tall and 25 squares wide. We'll start with a black pencil. Skip 9 squares from top to bottom. And on square number 10, mark 6 squares vertically. Up to the right, 2 vertically. Up to the right, 2 vertically. Up to the right, 2 diagonally. Up to the right, 2 horizontally. Up to the right, 7 horizontally. Up to the right 1. Down to the right 1. Down to the right, 2 horizontally. From this square, up 4 horizontally. From this square, down to the right, 2 horizontally. Down to the right, 2 diagonally. Down to the right, 2 vertically. Down to the right 1. Down to the right 6 vertically. From this square, down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 4 vertically. From this square, down 2 vertically. Down to the right 1. From this square to the right 2 vertically. Up to the right 3 vertically. Up to the right 5 vertically. Down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the right 1. down to the right 2 horizontally, up to the right 3 horizontally, up to the right 2 horizontally, up to the right 2 diagonally, up to the right 2 vertically, up to the right 3 vertically, from this square down 2 vertically, down to the right 3 vertically, down to the right 4 vertically, up to the right 3 horizontally, on this line, count 2 squares from left to right and mark 1 above. On this line, count 2 squares from left to right and mark 2 vertically below. Down to the left 1. From this square, skip 3 squares down and mark 2 vertically. From this square, skip 3 squares to the right and mark 1. Skip 2 squares to the right and mark 2 vertically. From this square down to the right 1. Down to the left 2 horizontally. From this square, skip 2 squares down and mark 2 horizontally. Up to the right 1. From this square up to the left 1. From this square down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the right 2 vertically. Down to the right 1. Down to the right 2 horizontally. Down to the right 6 horizontally. Up to the right 2 horizontally. Up to the right 1. Up to the right 2 vertically. Up to the right 2 vertically. Now Let's color in all the squares we marked. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to join the Pixeler Club, which is what we call our family here on Pixelados. Next, take the brown pencil and color in all the hair. Now take the light orange pencil and color the rest of the drawing. And that's how today's drawing turned out. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here for another video. Sending you a kiss, a big hug, a lot of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!